beautiful people. Welcome back, your #1 destination for trending natural hairstyles, African hair inspiration, and powerful protective hair care routines. In today's exciting video, we are diving deep into one of the most traditional yet highly effective African hair care techniques that's now gone viral again: African threading hairstyles for natural 4C hair. If you're looking for ways to grow your natural 4C hair faster, straighten your kinky coils without heat, or just rock a gorgeous and culturally rich protective hairstyle, then stick around, because this is exactly what you need. We're showcasing a variety of African threading styles, from simple straight back threading to corkscrew threading styles, and even threaded hairstyles with Brazilian wool for that extra volume and flair. Yes, queens, African threading isn't just a protective style, it's a heatless hair stretching method that has been trusted for generations to lengthen, thicken, and strengthen natural hair. It's one of the safest and most affordable ways to straighten your hair without blow dryers or flat irons. And the best part? It works wonders on short natural hair, medium length hair, and long hair too. We'll walk you through how to use African threading for maximum hair growth, stunning threading styles perfect for back to school, weddings, casual looks, and professional appearances, how to do African threading with Brazilian wool to create bold and colorful styles, real-life hair growth results from threading, and how to protect your 4C curls from breakage and dryness. Whether you're team minimalist or you love those bold, creative braided looks, there's something for everyone in this video. And if you're tired of heat damage, breakage, or stunted hair growth, African hair threading might just be your miracle method. Make sure you watch till the end to see the most trending thread hairstyles for 2025, including kids threading styles, threading hairstyles for short 4C hair, threading hairstyles with wool, and more. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with your favorite threading style, and subscribe to our channel for more natural hair inspiration, protective hairstyle tutorials, heatless stretching methods, and African beauty secrets that work. Let's embrace the power of our roots and wear our crowns with pride. It's time to let your hair thrive, grow, and glow naturally. Stay tuned. The magic of African threading starts now. African threading hairstyles for natural hair, natural 4-chair heatless straightening, African hair threading with Brazilian wool, protective hairstyles for hair growth, corkscrew threading hairstyles, heatless hair growth techniques, how to grow 4-chair naturally, natural hair threading styles tutorial 2025 threading hairstyles for African women, best protective hairstyles for type 4 hair, stretching 4-chair without heat wool hairstyles for black hair, African threading styles for short hair, latest African threading hairstyles 2025, natural hair growth without heat damage, African threadings, protective styles, natural hair growth, threading hairstyles, hair straightening without heat, African hair care, Brazilian wool hairstyles, heatless hair stretching, natural hairstyles 2025, Black Girl Magic corkscrew threading, natural hair J, Arnie kinky hair care, natural hair inspiration, traditional African hairstyles, black hair care tips, type 4 hair care threaded hairstyles for ladies, 4C no heat challenge, stylish ladies, bridesmaids, and queens who want to nurture their natural crowns. This video also explores how threading works as a natural straightening method without flat irons or blow dryers. Yes, you can stretch and manage your coils while avoiding heat damage, all by using threading styles passed down through African generations. So if you've been searching for the best protective hairstyles for 4C natural hair, or wondering how to grow your hair longer and stronger, you'll love this visual showcase. Plus, we're featuring threading hairstyles for kids with short natural hair, Brazilian wool creative designs, heatless stretching styles for length retention, 2025 African threading hairstyle inspirations. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite look, and don't forget to subscribe to Trending World Fashion Hub for more amazing African fashion and hairstyle ideas that are stylish, protective, and beautiful.